Hi, this is Arina and today we're going to learn one of the most simplest and versatile soups made with golden corn. So if you want to learn more about it, keep watching. The ingredients we need for the corn soup are about 1.5 cups of golden corn kernels, salt and pepper to taste, 1 stock cube, some water to adjust the consistency, and a handful of spring onion leaves for a fun variation which I will tell you about later. So let's get started. To make the base of the soup, we need to make a fine paste of the corn. We'll just reserve a handful for later. So let's blend it. So let's just check on this. Now that the corn is slightly crushed, we'll add some more water so that it forms a nice paste and blend it some more. I think it should be done now. Let's just check it. Yeah. So let's transfer it to the vessel. Pour it out. Now we'll adjust the consistency. It's entirely up to you whether you like a thick soup or a thin soup. You can also strain it out if you like a smoother texture. Just start with little. Okay, so now we season it. We'll add some salt, little pepper, and the stock cube. Now we'll add the whole corn kernels that we had saved earlier. So this soup is so versatile and so simple that you can do a lot of variations. You can add spinach puree to it to make it a spinach and corn soup. You can add chopped vegetables to make it a chowder-like soup. You can add chopped green onions and ginger, garlic and green chili sauteed in oil to give it a nice Asian touch. You can add beetroot puree to make it a beetroot and corn soup. There are a lot of ways that is up to your imagination. Okay, now that it's come to a boil, we'll take it off the flame and it's ready to be plated. There we have it. The soup is ready on its own. But now the simple variation that I spoke about earlier, the spring onion leaves, I've just blended it into a fine paste and we can garnish it with that. We make a nice swirl. So there you have it, versatile corn soup, good for any season, goes with any sort of cuisine.
Hey guys, this is Varun Namdar and welcome to India Food Network. Let's make a nice, comforting and cozy hot chocolate. For hot chocolate, the first and most important ingredient is of course milk. For this, you need full fat or good quality milk. We need to infuse the milk with some flavor. This time I'm using a spice and this is cinnamon to give it a nice sweet undertone. The milk needs to simmer for 5 minutes with the cinnamon. Now this will give you two things. One, it'll give it flavor, and two, it'll become a little dense and thick so that the hot chocolate becomes nice and creamy. Let's add in some cocoa powder for flavor and let's give this a whisk. Once this mixture becomes lump-free, the next ingredient that goes in is some chocolate. We need good quality dark chocolate, grated or chopped. To sweeten this additionally, I'm going to add in brown sugar, and this could be optional or of your choice. To this, for some additional flavor, I'm adding in vanilla essence. Let's give this one final whisk. And just before serving, I'm adding in a touch of butter, and this is to increase the creaminess of the hot chocolate. With this, your hot chocolate is ready, and this could be made for your kids or with your kids.
स्वागत है कोस्टल किचन में। मैं रूपा नाबर। आपने देखा मैं पालक लेके आई हूँ, तो कुछ बनाते हैं पालक के साथ। तो पालक दाल बन रही है यहाँ पे आज, और उसको एक कोंकण ट्विस्ट देते हैं कोकोनट के साथ। तो देखिए कैसी बनती है पालक दाल। मैंने गैस पे कढ़ाई चढ़ा दी है। अभी हम पकाएंगे पालक जो कटा हुआ है, कटा हुआ प्याज और ये सोक की हुई अरहर की दाल। इसमें पानी डाल के पालक और दाल को उबाल आ चुका है, उसे हम ढक के अच्छी तरह से पकाएंगे। लगभग 20 मिनट लगेगा, अगर कुकर पे चढ़ाते हो तो 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा। पालक और दाल पक रहे हैं और वो पकने के बाद में हमें एक मसाले की ज़रूरत है जो बनेगा। कटा हुआ धनिया, किसा हुआ नारियल, हरी मिर्च और इमली का पानी। ये एक चटनी बनती है जो मैंने ऑलरेडी पीस के रखी है, जो मैं यूज़ करूँगी अभी। पालक और दाल पक चुकी है, चेक करेंगे, लेकिन ये अच्छी तरह से गलनी चाहिए जैसे आप देख रहे हैं। और उसमें जाएगा अभी नमक, और ये जो चटनी या मसाला हमने बनाया था वो उसमें जाएगा। अभी इसे 2 मिनट पकने दो मसाले में, तब तक हम तड़के की तैयारी करते हैं। पैन गरम हो चुका है, तड़के के लिए तेल डालेंगे। तेल गरम हो चुका है, उसमें जाएगा लहसुन और थोड़ा सा हल्दी। ये पालक में दाल पालक बन चुका है और कोकोनट के साथ मैंने एक ट्विस्ट दिया है।
Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Kamini Patel and I'm your chef for the day. Today's recipe is how to use leftover palak soup into your pasta sauce. So turn on the heat first and take a teaspoon or 2 of olive oil and about 2 teaspoons of garlic and an onion. Give it a stir. So now your onions are translucent enough, your garlic is fragrant, so you can add your mushrooms. So to cook mushrooms well, turn the heat on high so that whatever water comes out of the mushrooms gets burned off quickly without interfering with the other ingredients. And you can add the chili flakes, and at this point you can add in the salt as well, a teaspoon. So now that your mushrooms are ready, you add in your tomatoes and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now your tomatoes are well cooked and you can add in your spinach soup now. Add in a teaspoon of pepper, olives, and fresh basil, or you can even add dried. Now let this cook but for 5 more minutes before you add the pasta. And now your sauce is almost ready. You just add your pasta, your cooked pasta, which is about 1 cup. And if you have some of your pasta water left, do add a few spoons of that in, because that's basically starch water and it helps thicken the sauce. Once you've coated each pasta with the sauce, turn off the heat. And now you add Greek yogurt. So just a few spoons, and it turns into a lovely light green. And you can even trick your kids into thinking it's a pesto sauce, but it's really spinach. And you're all done. You can scoop your pasta into your serving bowl. Then you sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Your leftover spinach soup pasta sauce.